perceived role of women in the fishing industry is wives supporting their husbands when they come home, or paperwork, and our actual roles as women, we're lorry drivers, we're exporters, we're processors, we're fishmongers, we're mechanics, we're boat owners, we're skippers. You know, we can do whatever we like, and if we're here to support each other, that becomes even more apparent, I think. An awful lot of jobs in the fishing industry are perceived to be male jobs, but anything a male can do, a woman can do also.
To have a group such as Women in Welsh Fisheries is really an important step forward in actually ensuring that the women that are in the industry are supported, but also as an opportunity to encourage more women to get involved in the industry, to actually be aware of what's there in the industry as well, that they can get involved in.
You know, we're here to support each other, and it's good to have other women with similar experiences to sound off and just share with. I decided to become part of the group because when I started, I was lorry driving and it was really lonely. There weren't facilities, there wasn't anybody else like me driving across the continent with shellfish, and to have somebody to chat to would have been really nice, a bit comforting on occasion, somebody who understands.
So the group is for any of the women that are involved or wanting to become involved in the fishing industry. It's really also to promote the industry and actually show other people and women in particular what is there in the industry, but also an opportunity for women that are in the industry to get together, talk about any issues that they've got, talk about any successes that they've had, in order to support and promote each other as well as the industry going forward.
I would encourage other women to join the group, just because we can provide that supportive role, working together for our industry, for our community. I think